Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or welcome if you are new here. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today, we have jobs that are paying up to $1,000 a week or more to literally answer and respond to emails from home. No college degree is needed. We have data entry, we have order processing. Hopefully we have a little bit of something for everyone. But timestamps are in the YouTube description box below this video, and there's a link to a page that lists all of these jobs and how to put those applications in if you're interested in any of these. I always suggest that you do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. So on that page, these Glassdoor pages are linked as well. If you want to read any reviews, I always just ask that if you enjoy the job leads that I share, let me know. Give me that direct feedback. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, or you can leave something in the comments. I can never make any promises, but I do read the comments, and if you leave something specific that what you're looking for, I do keep that in mind when I'm out there searching for job leads to share. I know a lot of people are looking for part-time evening jobs. I'm on the lookout, but of course, anything else, please leave it down below. Without wasting any more time though, first up we have the company Quorum. They have 183 reviews from past and current employees, a high employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They're hiring a customer support associate. Now, this is going to be non-phone through email. They are based out of Washington, D.C., but it does say they're a hybrid team with flexible work options. You can work remotely or choose to come into their DC office, but all applicants for this customer support associate are eligible to work from home permanently. They're looking for somebody to resolve their customer queries, recommend solutions, and guide product users through the features and functionality of the product, just troubleshooting any issues that they have. So you're going to be doing that customer service through their help desk tickets and stuff, providing service through email. So you're going to be answering those emails in app chat and Slack. So all of those non-phone mediums. So in your first week, you're going to really be trained and learn the ins and outs of the platform and test yourself on common use cases. And then after that, you'll start providing the direct support to the clients. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, but they are looking for somebody who has experience with ticketing solutions like Zyra or Zendesk, someone who has great communication skills, great attention to detail, and somebody who wants to be a part of building and maintaining a diverse team. Now, pay is where this job is at. Base salary is anywhere from $44,000 a year up to $52,000 a year. There's 52 weeks in a year. That'd be $1,000 a week. And then you get up to $6,500 additional compensation with bonuses and things like that throughout the year. So they are trying to make your on-target earnings with your bonuses anywhere from $50,000 to $58,000 a year. They do offer a standard benefit package. But if you're looking for more like a data entry position, Palco is also hiring. Now, Palco only has 54 reviews on Glassdoor from people who have worked from them currently or in the past. So please do your own research. They do have an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote data entry specialist. Now, Palco is trying to pioneer emerging healthcare movement that empowers people with disabilities. Now, while they are a healthcare type company, they're looking for somebody to use their specific software to enter payroll or related accounting information. So you are going to be generally entering numerical information, but also might be entering text data information. But the basis of the job is just data entry work. You're going to enter data into the system in an accurate and timely manner. You'll have to use different software programs like Microsoft Office and look at internal documents to collect that data. Data might include like budget data, billing data, timesheet data, or counseling backup data. You're going to verify that you entered the data correctly by reviewing it, deleting, and updating any data when necessary. Now, you might have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call from time to time or send an email when you need to follow up if you are missing data or data contains errors or omissions and you need to get the correct information so you can enter the correct information into the system. This only requires a high school diploma or GED and 6 months experience of like some kind of data entry or administrative type work. This is a work from home job and they don't state what the pay is in the job listing. However, I did find on the Glassdoor that people have worked for them as a data entry specialist in the past and reported their salary. Glassdoor estimates the salary for this job to be anywhere from $31,000 a year up to $44,000 a year. Next up, we have the company Dodge Construction Network. Now, one thing to note about them, they have a lower employee satisfaction rating. They come right in the middle at 2.4 out of 5 stars. So some people love them, some people hate them. They have 114 reviews. So if you're interested in these positions that I'm about to share, please do your own research, read reviews on this company, and find out if these are things that you can live with. Like some people rated it as a 5.0, but their con was bringing together two legacy companies is not an easy task. So apparently this company has merged with another company in the past. So you don't know if people are irate about the merging of companies, things like that. But they are looking for a data acquisition specialist. Now, please note there are 2 different job listings for this, one for states on the west and the other for states on the east. So for states on the west, the candidates have to be in these certain states and willing to work the time zone that you reside in that specific state. And there is also a page for the same thing, data acquisition specialist on the east, and these are going to be your East Coast states. So please make sure that both of these are linked in order, west and then east, on the job listing page. Please make sure if you're interested in applying for this job that you are choosing the correct one for the state that you live in. But they are looking for somebody to basically research specific data sources for either public or private projects for your assigned territory, and you're going to key or enter this data into their data platform and create or update their Dodge reports. So you are operating in a specific area or territory that you're given. You're developing relationships with specific data sources. You'll research, collect, verify, and maintain that data through various means. So you might have to make outbound phone calls, send emails, or do digital research like online to find information. You're going to enter this information timely and accurate into their data entry system and just complete all the formal documentation required for the data collection process. Now, again, only high school diploma or GED is needed. Data entry experience, 1 year experience in the construction industry, and 18 months of customer service is preferred, not needed, as long as you can work with all those computer systems like Microsoft Office, have great attention to detail, things like that. Pay for this one is anywhere from $21.63 an hour all the way up to $24.04 an hour. Now, pay and responsibilities are the same for both East and West. Keeping it moving though, next up we have Nationwide Hiring. They have 5,500 reviews, an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a technical clerk. This is remote for the United States. But as a technical clerk, you're basically going to be supporting customers who are looking for quotes on either personal insurance or auto insurance. Now, this one is going to require some phone work. I wanted to throw a little bit of something in for everyone. With this one, you'll be taking inbound and outbound calls, assisting clients in finding the best insurance solutions that are going to meet their needs. So you're basically going to be the friendly voice on the other end of the line, listening to the customer's questions and inquiries, providing them with the opportunity to speak with a sales representative. You'll perform clerical duties with the general department and organizational practices and procedures, maintaining records and check the data for control purposes. So you're going to be taking like the people's information, names, you're connecting them with the sales rep. You're making sure that if they want to subscribe to insurance, you get them set up where they can get a sales rep that can get them the insurance products they need. You'll help with like taking messages, redirecting calls, explaining procedures, things like that. They are looking for somebody who has a lot of customer service background, someone who has persuasive communication. You basically have that persuasiveality where you can just talk people into getting everything. almost like a salesperson. You are not the insurance salesperson here, but you've got to have kind of like that sales background. Be a problem solver. Now, they are looking for somebody to start on May 13th and work Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But they just need a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of general office experience. Now, pay for this one is all the way down at the bottom. Expected pay range is anywhere from $42,000 to $315 a year, all the way up to $47,400 a year. And if you're interested in like order processing, this next one might be for you. The company is Cambium Learning Group. They have 113 reviews and an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an order processing specialist, again, remote for the United States. So you are just going to be entering orders into the Salesforce system in a timely manner, making sure the orders are accurate and checked for quality control for the order processing life cycle. So you're going to provision license, giving customers access to online products purchased, making sure the customer site is accurate and what has been purchased, have an understanding of all their order policies, send orders back that are incorrect, and just communicate within the sales team and revenue operations for making sure that the accurate order life cycle has been completed and the customers have the orders that they paid for. So they have some kind of like online products, like if ever ordered digital products like software or a subscription or membership to a website, or like I have bought like digital downloads, like images and stuff from Etsy before, when you're looking for like a picture to put on something, things like that. You are given like a license number that you have to input online to make that product work for you. So you're going to help the customers by making sure their licenses are active and giving them those licenses and things like that. Just making sure all those online orders are processed. This does require 1 to 2 years of order processing. Someone who is proficient in using computers, specifically those Microsoft Office systems. Somebody who can work in a fast-paced environment, have great customer service skills. And if you have familiarity with using Salesforce, that's a plus, but not required. This job will require somebody who can do some multitasking. And sadly, they did not list the pay. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.